Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 9th of April. This morning, I'd just like to do an Ichimoku cloud chart analysis on Bitcoin. And on the screen here, we have Ichimoku cloud of Bitcoin. I've got various levels indicating key support levels here. If we zoom in, we can see at this top end of the cloud is a key support zone. It's an old support zone, so these levels come back in focus when you have a sell-off, and particularly from a big picture perspective, we have a downtrend in place. Price action is below the cloud. This indicates that we have a downtrend, so the bias is towards the short side. We've not yet had a buy signal, and buy signals below the cloud are normally weak buy signals. We have had a sell signal. Every time we get to the resistance at the top end of the cloud here, we have a sell signal soon after that. And now we're closer to key support zone. We can see this support level here at 656 comes from this top end cloud level here, as well as these lows here and the support zone there. So we're back to the November support levels. We've been testing those levels, as well as this major support level here in February, this particular low here. On that particular day, the low is 5,920. So it would appear that we are looking to bottom out here, testing these support levels, aggressively testing these support levels. The downside risk is back down to 5,661, or this low here at 592. So we can see we between 5.6 and 5.9 is also another major support level, so we could see it dip back and then rebound from that level. But so far, if we just zoom in, we can see as so far so good. It's found support there. A trade now would be contrary to a long trade. So the short-term swing trade possibility from this level back up to the bottom end of the cloud. So that's the short-term trade. The medium-term trade is we short sell when we get back to cloud chart resistance. Front end of the cloud still indicate we have a long-term downtrend in place. If we look at the daily chart. Okay, so far rebounding from bottom end cloud support levels, old lows, the lagging line indicating somewhat of a support level. So there's short-term upside potential back up to the bottom in the cloud chart level up here, and these levels are what's that level there, 850. So short-term upside potential back up to those levels. If we now drill down into hourly chart, we can see here that we're back above the cloud, which is good news. Price action above the cloud is a uptrend, so we have a short-term uptrend on a 60-minute hourly chart basis. The targets here are these old highs here for resistance. They're at 7176 and 7364. These are key levels for potential resistance. So watch out, this rally might run into trouble when we get to 7,363. Front cloud support level here should come into place at 6,967. We can see that's now acting as a support level on an hourly basis, with significant weakness to the bottom in the cloud here at 6,822. So watch out for those level potential rebound there, and if weakness persists, it can rebound from that area. But so far, if price action is above the cloud, we're in a short-term uptrend on an hourly basis, with targets of 7,363 as the next upside target. But watch out. The daily chart's not looking good, but the 60-minute chart is indicating some short-term upside potential. We've had a buy signal back in the cloud here, so that's worked out now. Watching very closely for any potential sell signal on a 60-minute Ichimoku cloud chart basis. Okay. The weekly cloud chart still indicate that we have a fantastic, there's still a long-term uptrend. Price actions above the cloud. You can see these levels from the daily cloud, 5661 and 4591 are key support levels that can still be tested. Short-term downtrend in place, medium-term to long-term uptrend on a weekly cloud chart basis. Okay, note that it's a weekly cloud chart, Ichimoku cloud, and the top end of the cloud here, that's a key support level, as well as the bottom end of the cloud. So as long as we stay above the cloud, Bitcoin over the long term will do fine. But on the daily basis, we can see this potential downside to these levels, these old lows here, which coincide well with the top end of the weekly cloud. Okay, so short term bullish on a 60-minute, daily chart bullish up to the bottom end of the cloud, but note you are trading counter trend here because the front end of the cloud still indicate we have somewhat of a downtrend in place on a daily cloud chart basis. But back to the 60-minute, and we can see there's some short-term trading going on here, short-term upside potential back up to 7363. And this level here is now being tested for support. So watching very closely to see if this level will come in and maintain support at 7062. Okay. Rebound potential from the bottom end of the cloud here and the top end of the cloud for potential further upside to 6363. Okay. Thanks everyone. Happy trading.